Hey guys, Josh here from Trailbuilt Off-Road TV on the YouTube. We're out here doing our top 5 best-selling mud terrain. So what better environment to do that in than to actually be out off-road. We're gonna go ahead and start with the Toyo Open Country MT. So starting with the Toyo Open Country mud terrain, the Toyo is obviously a very popular selling mud terrain tire. They're known for their durability, they're known for their great tread life, great handling on and off the road. The Toyo mud terrains have these aggressive center blocks here with these what are known to be scallop shaped shoulder blocks that do tend to blend over into the sidewall, which obviously gives you a little extra traction when you're airing down off-road. So another great feature with the Toyos is obviously their durability. They have a 3-ply construction which contributes to excellent durability, impact resistance, and handling. Have these open scallop tread blocks which obviously improves off-road traction, and an aggressive tread design with hook-shaped blocks, which delivers excellent off-road traction while still maintaining great on-road capabilities as well. So the Toyo tires for a set of 4 shipped right to your door for free in the lower 48 sells on our website for $1,500. So that's starting with the Toyo tire, like I said, being the most expensive. So moving down the line, the next one in line is going to be this Nitto Trail Grappler. The Trail Grappler for a set of 4, again free shipping to your door, is going to be $13.42 for a set of 4. So some of the advantages with the Nitto Trail Grappler is, again, you're going to see it's got an aggressive tread pattern. It's got the 3-ply construction. It's going to give you durability. It still has these aggressive shoulder blocks on it with, again, the shoulder blocks leading into the sidewall. Extra off-road traction as well. Has a decent amount of siping to it too. Still good in snow, definitely still good in mud as well. So the Nitto, again, one step down from the Toyo as far as price, selling a set of 4, 35-inch tall, 1250 wides, 17-inch wheels for $13.42. The next one in line as far as price is going to be the Peaz, which stands for, I don't know if you know this or not, Rolling Big Power. So the RBP Repulsor mud terrain is still obviously a very good tire. Now these ones too, as you can see, aggressive tread pattern. Their tread pattern does sort of angle in towards the middle, which will give you a little extra mud flinging capability, sand flinging capability. Again, following suit with the other mud terrains, the shoulder blocks do go down into the sidewall as well. Still give you that off-road traction when you're aired down, give you that sidewall traction. So these for a set of 4, again, free shipping, lower 48, sell for $10.66. Federal Couagias in that 35, 1250 wide, 17. Again, you'll see the Federal Couagias are just a little bit different in the fact that they have a little bit more spacing in between these tread blocks. So they do tend to clean out just a little bit better than some of the other mud terrains that I'm showing you. Now for a set of Federal Couagias, we are looking at a set of 4 shipped to your door for $828. So if you're looking for a great tire, great price, Federals would be a great place to start. If you're just looking for some aggressive mud terrains to put on your off-road vehicle, Federal's been around for a while. They've been doing a great job. They sell a ton of tires because of their price. Check them out. We have them all listed on our website. Really easy to find. When you go on our website, you can search by either your year or make vehicle. You can go to either wheels or tires. So when you go to tires, you can just scroll over to the size height of tire that you're looking for, the width, and then obviously wheel size as well. Just hit search and it'll bring you up all the tires in that size. So you can search by most popular, you can search by price, highest to lowest, lowest to highest. Check them out. So if you guys have a favorite mud tire, if you're running one of these mud tires, go ahead, drop some comments in the comment section below. Let us know what you think. Let us know how you like these tires if you're running one of them, or if you have a favorite tire that you run, drop it in the comments below. Let us know what you think. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell. That way you get notified every time we drop a new video. It's been fun, it's been real. I'm gonna go ahead, enjoy this beautiful Wisconsin night, and that's all I got for you. We'll see you next time. Thanks again.